because our bird is going to fly closer to you. So we have there our bird trainer, Mr. Aryan Good, sir. So everyone sit down. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, eyes here. For our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white bellied sea eagle, Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle are also known as the king of the sea. So they have a white plumage from their head down to their underpart, and their back and wings are dark gray in color. So this kind of bird is a monogamous type of bird, meaning they will only have one partner for a lifetime. So a round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here a flying loris all the way from Australia. So we have three types of loris: the dusky loris, chocolate loris, and the blue and red loris. And to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace. Prosperity and harmony, our beautiful pigeons. Together with our scarlet ladies, all the way from South America. And before we put the end of the show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of our show. My partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, together with Marina, and the other bird trainer, Mr. Ian, Chris, Irvin, James, Rumnik, Miss Jihan, and Rachel. And of course, our sound conductor, Mr. Ricky, and to our volunteer staff, Miss Andrej and Isa. And of course, last but not the least, the man behind of these talented birds, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aiken, all the way from Singapore, together with our Malukan Kapatid. And of course, yours truly, my name is Ian.
And I'm sure, Lisa, thank you.